Hi, I am Geoffrey Wilson from Afritech Academy, where we provide you with free digital technology training. And in this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to purchase a domain name and web hosting for your website. So let's get right into the screen capture. So to purchase web hosting, what you do is you open a new tab on your browser like I'm here, and you can Google search the hosting company, or you just type in their domain name. In that case, I'm going to use HostGator as an example here. So type hostgator.com and I hit enter. So that this takes me directly to the web host site. You can go through all what they have to tell you about your service to really see if it is what you are looking for. But at this level, this is what I recommend. On the page of HostGator, this is how for most web hosts their homepage will look like. They'll be showing you the various plans and what they offer. So in this case, we are just going to go with get started, and you know you can browse through the site to read more and also learn. And here they present you with various packages, so you select your package. For if you need, like here on the Hashlink plan, you have one website, that is, you can only have one website, like one domain name on that hosting account. But if you choose the baby plan, you can have an unlimited number of websites in this hosting account. And then this business plan has some other advantages. Now, most people who just want to build a single website will this Hashlink plan will be okay. So if we consider that, you choose it, but choose what meets your needs. Once you select that, it's going to open a page. Here it will open this page. So on this page, you are going to do two things together. You will purchase your domain name together with the web hosting package. But if you already have a domain name, you just click on this other tab, I already own this domain name, and you enter it here. Otherwise, you want to register a new domain name, you will need to register it here, and currently they are offering this domain name for free. You can type in your domain name to search. Let us say web design hop next. Let's do like this. And when you enter that domain, you hit and you choose the extension here. You come here, you choose the extension. So I'm going to choose a .com. And once you do that, it will search your domain name, and we see HostGator at this moment is offering a free domain name. And if this domain name was not available, you should have seen it here. So what you do is just select that. Most people will not need to select any other thing here. You go here, you look at various options and you choose it. Like here, the plan, the billing cycle. Here they have add privacy to your domain. That is, your contact information wouldn't show on when people are looking at this, who owns this domain. But most people will not need that. So you can just uncheck that unless you really understand what you want and you think you need it. Here on the plan type, you can also change it to the baby or business plan. And the billing cycle, you can choose 36 months, and the more you choose, the more discount you will get. So here we are just going to go with a 12 months plan. I believe many people will choose that. Then your username, you can choose something like web, anything that you want to use here, but let it just be like an abbreviation of your business name. And here, once you've put your username and your security pin, it's just like a pin that when you want to contact the web host, they will ask you. So you can put something, they just put something like something you can remember, so that when the web host asks you, you give them. Then you come here, you put your email, you confirm your email, your first name, last name. This company is optional. You enter your phone number, your address, country, city, your state or region here, your zip. If you don't have a zip, you can put 5 zeros here. And then you choose your payment method. You must have a credit card or a PayPal account. and you can choose whatever method you want to use to pay. And then once you are done with that, here are some other options which you might not really need, like here they want you to add some SSL, like this key is offered here for free, but they want you to have more of it. That is, like, you don't really need that SSL certificate because you already have your site secured like this. You have a site lock, additional security. I think most beginners will not need that. Professional email, most people will not need that as well because the hosting account provided, even not up to this extent. Then you have site backup, like the web host will back up your site. Most beginners, there are other ways to back up your site than using this, and these other ones. So if you have a coupon, like a discount, what a coupon code will do, it will cut down the cost, the price that you have here. So if I use, say, a coupon like hosting bundle, look at it here, we have $66, and if I validate this, it's going to go down to 54. So that is a discount. And once you have filled in all the details and your payment method is in place, come here and click on yes, I have read and agreed to HostGator term of service, and then you click on checkout. And once you click on checkout, it's going to take you to this other place where it's like the customer portal. You can see an overview of your account. You can go here to hosting to manage it, or to see what we call domain name servers, or you can also click here to see domain names. If you have 1 or 2 domain names, it's going to show here, so you see a domain name. And here mostly you will not really do anything. And also here you have your billing, that is how you are charged, and you are going to see all that. You can look at all these options. It's quite straightforward. And when you are done with that, you can go there to dashboard, and the web host will already, once you have finished purchasing a web hosting package, the web host will provide you with the details to log into your control panel. And inside the billing portal that we are in here, you can also have some options to go to your email accounts, or to launch what we call control panel, where here is where you manage the back end of your website. You install WordPress and so on. So here you can just click here to launch cPanel, and when you click there, or you use your cPanel details to log in, and once you click there, it's going to take you here to this account where you find out everything that has to do with your hosting account. So that is that. You look at it here, and all that. So this is your hosting account and all that has to do with it. And here in the control panel, you can actually manage a lot of things, but I'm just going to show you a few of them. Here you have the file manager, and this is where you manage all your files. And most people who are not technical will probably not have to at any point go here. Here you have emails, like if you have created emails like sales your domainname.com, you are going to manage all your emails here, all your emails that are following your domain name. You are going to manage that here. And one other thing here is your WordPress installer, and this is what you can use to install WordPress. There are others like PHPMyAdmin and MySQL database, but they are beyond the scope of this lesson. So I'll see you in the next lesson when we look at some other topics.